Hello, everyone, and happy Monday. This is Tracie Evans Langley, and I am here with my friend Debbie Danford for our first ever East Meets West. What are we calling this? Birthday
Birth
Bash card class
series. Yeah.
series. There, I knew I was going to say the wrong thing.
Oh, it's all fun.
And we're hoping to have this be, we're going to start this as a quarterly to do. And if you guys like it, then we'll consider adding more often, doing it more often. So what we're going to do is each day this week, one of us is going, we're going to take turns Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we are going to share a card with you that we're making. And we're going to be featuring, oh my gosh, I'm going to say the wrong thing, Debbie. The season reason to celebrate stamp set along with the days like this, memories and more card kits. And if you love these cards and you place a $35 order with us before tax and shipping by January 12th, you will get the makings for these cards, all four cards sent to you, and you can make them along with us. And so that's $35 before tax and shipping. And
And
we'll
Stampin' Rewards. And
and
if you
Stamp
use
Rewards.
any,
And but then there's an added bonus this time, Debbie. What are we adding in?
so if you spend over 75 before shipping tax and any Stampin' Rewards you might use, we will add in a pack of the beautiful Rhinestone Basic Jewels. And I'll show these, or Tracie might show them too. My pack is almost empty. I'm going to have enough just to finish these two cards. And I don't have any more. Usually I keep these in stock and I do not have any more. But if you order over 75, you'll get this included in your packet, and you will qualify to buy the product of the month for January.
Right.
That's a great deal.
Exactly. And if you're over $50 starting February, no, I'm sorry. God, I am just saying all the wrong days. Starting January 6th through February 2nd, you can earn $5 bonus days coupons for every $50 you spend. So get to at least get to that $50 mark, right? And then you can
Yeah.
redeem those bonus days um, February 3rd through 28th. So it's a great time to hop in and place an order and get lots of goodies plus these fun kits that we're going to share with you. And
Yeah.
I had
And
to open a new pack of rhinestones. So I'm like looking at mine going, oh yeah, I do have a few, but I'm on my last pack as well. So sounds like
and
we
it's a
we're make
great time to
rhinestones.
place, yes, and it's a great time to place an order because our catalog is going live on the 6th and the new online exclusive. So
Yes, which will
whole
be
bunch of new
tomorrow.
stuff that you can shop with.
Absolutely.
Okay. So Tracie, are you ready to
Maybe. We'll see. As ready as I ever am. Okay, let me move some things out of the way. Okay,
Okay.
yes, and I even made
Real
myself
quick, while
notes.
she's getting ready, I'm going to show you just the. So we are coordinating this with the Reasons to Celebrate, and this will be on page 19, and it's $20 in the new mini catalog coming up. And then this is the Days Like This Memories and More card pack, and Tracie will show you the pack as she goes, but this is on page 15, and they're 11.50. So that just gives you an idea of where they are in the catalog and what you get with it. Okay, so I am spotlighting Tracie's
Ready?
hands
Oh my
and
gosh. Okay, no pressure. All right. So I'm going to show you. So there are in this kit, you get there's three designs of the big cards, and they're really pretty. So they're great they're be great for memory keeping, scrapbooking, but we just loved them for card making. So look how pretty these are. So you get three of the large size, which are 4 by 6. So they're wonderful. And I love using the lines to stamp. So just for cards and things. So that's the three large ones. And then you get 6 designs of the small ones, front and well, you get more than 6, you get 12 actually, right? One. I'm gonna just flip through these really quickly. Oops, butterflies. So they're very springy, which is kind of fun considering it's the middle of winter and it's been kind of yucky here. So,
exactly.
and
And
I
I
love that
think
one.
that the Memories and More card packs are great for easy, quick cards
Yeah.
because you could just throw these together, make a quick birthday card or, thank you card or whatever you needed, and it's easy peasy.
Absolutely. And we love that. Okay.
Yes.
So there's the card. So I'm going to show you, I guess I'm going to start by showing the card that we're going to make, right? We showing it? I guess we're showing
Yep.
it. I did.
We are showing
Okay.
it.
So this is the card that we're going to make. And Debbie and I, we're not repeating. So we each chose specific cards. So all four cards use different pieces from the Memories of More card kits. Okay. So there's my original card. Put it out of the way so I don't lose it. Look at me, Debbie. And then along with the Reason to Celebrate stamp set, I am using my Stylish Shapes dies. So you'll get the die cuts already cut. So you'll have everything ready to go to put these cards together. So this is what your packet will look like. Look, I even put it in a baggie. How awesome.
Now, you will not get the bling included unless you bump your order up to the $75. So keep that in
Correct.
mind that that
Correct.
won't be there, but you'll have all the paper products and die cut pieces to do what to make the cards.
Right. So, okay, so for this first card, for my first card, you're going to start with a piece of basic white, thick cardstock, standard measurement, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4.25. You'll have a piece of Flirty Flamingo, which I always forget how much I like this color till we start playing with it again. And so you'll have a die cut piece out of that, which Debbie has me in the habit of doing this now, which I love. So it saves some cardstock and I don't have to go search around for pieces of scrap. And then this one we're going to use the butterfly with the green side that says filled with happiness. So we're going to use that. And then you'll have a scrap for your greeting. And I think that one's big enough. We're going to hope it is. All right. So the first thing you're going to do, and I did make myself some notes and I actually took a picture, which I will post or we'll send to you. We can say, yeah, can we post? I can post a pic. We can post a picture in the comments of the cutting so you can see it. Maybe to make it easier to have a visual.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'll post that in the comments when we're done. All right. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to cut 1 inch off of the left side of the card. And if you do this on the garden green side, it's easier because you can kind of see, because what I wanted to preserve was I want that butterfly. So this is a 6-inch card. So I'm going to cut it at 5 inches. And I'm not good with a paper trimmer. So bear with me. And that's a scoring blade, so that's really not going to help me. Okay, let me double check that I'm right. Okay. All right. All right, so that's our first cut. We're going to set that aside. But we're going to use all of these pieces. We're going to have no waste. All right, and then we're going to cut a 1/4 inch off of the top. So we're basically making this a 5 by 3 3/4 card layer. All right, so again, we're going to use all these little pieces, so don't throw anything away. Okay, and then we are going to go from the top and we're going to cut at 1 7/8. I tried this making it, let's see, wait, okay, it's that one, right, Debbie? It's that one. Okay, and that's the bottom, not the top. So let's flip it the right way. See, I almost made a boo-boo. Okay. Should be right. Yeah, okay. It'll be close enough. All right. You don't want these pieces to be quite equal. So they're not. Okay, so we did it. All right, so that's the hardest part of the whole thing. And I'm going to lay these out so you can see how they're cut. Okay, so they'll be like that. But I took a picture and we'll post the picture so you can see. So see, that's all of our pieces. Okay. All right, we're going to scoot those out of the way. We're going to start with our card base. And let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and just glue these together. And I'm going to use glue, multi-purpose glue. Debbie would probably be using Stamp and Seal Plus, but you can use your favorite adhesive. It doesn't matter. And if you're recreating this card and you do the die cutting like I did, just make sure that you're kind of in the middle so that when you go to start covering everything up, where you cut out your die is covered up. Okay. All right. So we're just going to glue these down. Yes. I just thought it was fun that we could, that they're so different that you could just flip them over and make it look like you were using a whole bunch of different paper. That would be
Exactly.
fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There's one. I think for me, the confusing part at this time is okay, which side am I gluing to? Oops. It would work either way. All right. And my butterflies are right side up. And I am just putting, you could leave a little space if you wanted to. I'm just gonna, actually, I am gonna leave just a little bit of space. There we go. Just to fill up. So I may have cut it just a little bit more than I meant to. All right, and then we're just gonna add a little bit more glue. Just a bit. And then when I was doing this the first time, I kind of wanted to line it up where I had the speckles so you could just, I thought I liked the variation. I don't know why. I thought that was just kind of a fun way to use that little scrap and just give it a little bit more dimension, even though it's
Exactly.
the green on the green. Plus the fact I didn't cut all the H off of the happiness, so I didn't want that show. And Debbie and I had an agreement that we were not going to use any ribbon on these, that we were just going to use blank. Otherwise, I would probably have used a piece of ribbon there. Okay, so once we do that, we're going to just flip it open. Oh, and I didn't even show you guys. So then we're just going to add that other scrap on the inside.
Nice.
So this is a no waste card.
Exactly. That's what we like.
We like. Plus the fact the way we're doing this, it will keep the weight of your card down also. Cutting out that little circle. I know it doesn't make a huge difference, but
It all adds up.
it all adds up. And as long as your card is under an ounce, you can mail it for the standard rate. If it's 2 ounces, it's $1.03. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Okay, so we're going to just grab, I've already blocked my stamps. We're going to do happy birthday. And I'm using my garden green. And we're going to see if I can stamp straight today. Oh, I know I had that silicone man out. So I can see. So I can see to stamp this. Hey, look at me go. Yay. All right. And guess what? We're done stamping.
Oh,
I know.
yeah, this is an awesome stamp set because there's so many different holiday words in here. You'll be able to use it all year
Yeah.
because it's got St. Patrick's Day, it's got Valentine's Day, Easter, New Year, anniversary, graduation, besides the birthday and celebration type things. So you can use this. This will be a very versatile stamp set to have on hand.
Yeah, and I like that the fonts are a mix of print and cursive again.
Yes.
Those tend to be my favorites. All right.
And pretty soon, with all these young people that don't know how to read and write cursive, it's going to be a secret language that we all have.
I know, right? Okay, I had dimensionals. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. So I'm going to just put dimensionals on both of my greeting and my happy and my birthday. And I'm putting them down at the bottom. Oh, Sadie's talking in the background.
Oh, that's what I'm hearing. I kept thinking it was my
Yeah,
dogs.
no, I think she's probably ready to go to the house. She's tired of me. She's probably tired of listening to me talk. Okay, honey, just a minute. Almost done. Okay, so I'm just going to line this up kind of down underneath my little strip. And then I am going to put some dimensionals on the back of my little circle as well. And, okay, so I'm going to put those at the top and to the side. I know, hi. All right. So we're lickety splittity making this really cute birthday card. And I just need some rhinestones to finish it up. And we kind of picked rhinestones because we like that you can color these. So if you wanted to add some color to this, some more color to this project, you could take your blends and add some more color. But I think they're fun. Since it's a birthday card, I think it's fun that they're just sparkly and shiny.
I agree. I mean they go really well with this pack of memories and war cards. So
Yeah, I think so too.
and you can't go wrong with the rhinestones. They go on
No.
any kind of card, masculine, feminine, it doesn't matter. Like Tracie said, you can change the color of them so easy.
All right, and voila. We'll grab our trusty bone folder. Burnish, and voila.
I love it.
We have a finished card in what, 10 minutes?
Something like that. Yeah.
Something like that. So we love this card. We love this set. Again, if you guys are interested and you want to get all four of these fun cards that we're going to be making over the next few days, it's a $35 order before tax and shipping. If your order is more than $75, you get a pack of rhinestones, and you would also qualify for the bonus. No, oh my gosh, what's it called again? Product of the month.
Product of the month.
And you can get bonus days. So, what a great deal, right?
It's an awesome deal.
All right. So, I guess that's all we have for today. Tune in tomorrow because Debbie is going to show you another fantastic project. And I will see you on Wednesday.
Bye, guys.
Bye.